Hello everyone, it's Katrina Eva from Heartfelt Creation design team, and today I'm super excited to share with you some short videos of project I designed for Heartfelt Creation as my first step-by-step tutorial. Actually, you can find the tutorial on Heartfelt Creation blog as well as on my personal blog. So I designed this project with two parts. First part is the box, and maybe you feel, oh, this box is super simple. Yes, it's simple, but simple means easy to post. You can actually add the bow on the top of the lid and simply place the box under the Christmas tree. I designed this box to still have this wow factor we love as we create handmade flowers, and I designed it large enough to fit beautiful flower arrangements inside of the box lid. Second part of my project is called Pyramid card or Pyramid mini album, and this is very simple, quick to make project. As you can see, I add the bow just to have all the flaps together, and you can create this project as I design it for the tutorial, but you can also add more interactive flaps and pockets using Heartfelt Creation dies. You can fill in the pyramid card using photos, gift cards, wishes. You can also die cut some elements from the paper collection. Just add whatever you feel is suitable for this project. I hope you like it and you give it a try, and if you do, please share your final piece on our Heartfelt Creation official Facebook group. If you want to find instructions how to recreate this project, you can find some on Heartfelt Creation blog as well as on my personal blog. You can find all the links in the description below. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!